Do Agile certifications or Scrum Master certifications matter in 2025 and going into 2026? This is the reality of the answer. There's three things. Number one, AI. Number two, practicality. And number three, the way you deploy it. So let's go through these one by one if you want to have the maximum benefit of watching this video. The first thing is AI has totally changed the way the game works. And because of this, a lot of you don't understand how to truly incorporate AI into your workflow. And because of this, not only are you feeling discrepancies, you could say a big difference in terms of what's happening in the workplace and what's being described in your theoretical workbook, is because of this exact very reason. Only when you understand and you master how to truly treat AI as a bolt-on to your workflow will it really matter at that point. So AI is a huge game changer. And the other part of this is the practicality piece. A lot of the certifications that you're looking at nowadays, PSM and CSM, are really not that practical. They are theoretically based. And because they're based on theory, you will not get what you're looking for at the end of the day. And because of these reasons, you will actually suffer in the long run. That leads you on to deployment. If you are able to deploy the practicality, the AI in the right manner, you will be successful going forward. But the thing is that you might not know how to deploy this in the right way. So when it comes to this, when it truly comes to this, someone needs to show you how to actually make this work in practice. A lot of the practical classes that I'm running right now, physically live. So of course you can attend virtual classes, but a lot of the corporate training that I'm giving now is basically the bolt-on piece. How do you make this new workflow flourish? How do you make this new workflow how is it compelling? How is it beneficial? How does it make you optimized and accelerate the company value delivery? It's only when you crack this piece will you be successful going forward. A lot of you are looking for a quick win solution. It's not there. Another piece to this puzzle is the multi-certifications. Yes, if you take Scrum Master, Product Owner, APM, Advanced Scrum Master, Project Management, you stand a better chance in the market. That's a given. That is a given. And when you master all these disciplines and you're able to take the AI bolt-on piece and take it forward from there, you will be at a much more you'll be in a much more beneficial position. You'll be in a much more attractive position. Taking one or two certifications right now will not do the trick. The market is fiercely competitive. People are experiencing job losses at an unprecedented rate that we have never seen before. The way you incorporate certain tools into your way of working, as I say all the time, will stand you out from the crowd. So if I'm having to go on to the real message of this video, is that what you're seeing on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, the theory books, is 1,000 days behind, 2 years behind what's going on in the corporate landscape. And it's taking almost 2 years to reach the textbooks. This is why I only promote certain certifications, certain frameworks, SSM, Scaled Agile, because they actually have a 6 month to 1 year yearly revision cycle. And this yearly revision cycle is updated according to the market dynamics. And that's what you need to see. That's what you need to be. Now, that's what you need to be in. So if you want to stand any chance of winning in this complex, chaotic, difficult marketplace, the only way you're going to do that is by understanding that the other stuff that you're seeing online is not where the corporate world is right now. Once when you figure that out, and once when you realize, I got it, because the corporate world is 2 years ahead, you need someone that can tell you what the corporate world is actually doing right now from a consulting point of view, and then you can take it forward from there. That requires a program, that requires a boot camp, that requires mentorship and coaching. If you don't want to take the mentorship and coaching, at least watch the program, so that you know exactly how to pitch yourself. So you know at least where the corporate world is right now. It's only when you understand that it's 2 years ahead of what you're seeing in what you're reading online, what you're seeing online, what you're reading in the books. It's only when you grasp your head around this and you realize, actually, this is how far behind you actually are. This is not a bad thing. This is just that it's a sign that before things are too late, you need to catch up now more than ever. I've been publishing these videos from the last couple of years. I think this is the urgency that I cannot stress this urgency enough. Even if you don't want to get certified in a certification and you just want to see how does AI bolt on to this new way of working, we have an entire series on that. And it doesn't just apply to Scrum Masters, it applies to product owners and project managers. Once when you master the workflows in terms of what's going on in this meeting, the input, the process in the meeting and the output, and how does AI accommodate that entire input, process and output, you will see how suddenly 10 steps drop down to 5 steps. Imagine pointing that in your interview, in your resume. Imagine how much of a difference that would make for you to get the job. And that's what I mean, that you're already 2 years behind. So if you're interested and you want to learn more, my team and I is ready. There's a free consultation that you can take whereby we can talk with yourselves. It's not a sales pitch. It's an understanding to see on the call if you are ready to take on one of these programs, Scrum Master, Product Manager, APM, LPM, Project Management Officer, the AI bolt-on, whatever you want to do, which one's the most suitable for you at this time being. Jump on a call. Our consultation link is in the link in the description below. Click on it and let's see what we can do for yourself. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you're notified of all my videos that I'm publishing on a daily and weekly basis. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.